Understanding idioms. Go up in smoke. Hello everyone. Today's video is all about understanding the idiom, go up in smoke. If you've ever heard this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. We're going to explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in everyday conversation. So, let's dive in and demystify this interesting English idiom. The phrase, go up in smoke, is used to describe a situation where something is destroyed, wasted, or fails to materialize. It's often used when plans or aspirations are unexpectedly ruined. For example, if you were planning a picnic and it started raining, you could say, our picnic plans went up in smoke. The imagery here is akin to something burning up and turning into smoke, signifying the disappearance or destruction of something. Understanding the origin of idioms can make them easier to remember. The phrase, go up in smoke, likely originates from the literal observation of something burning and turning into smoke. Historically, when buildings or important documents were burned, they would literally go up in smoke, leaving nothing behind. This physical transformation became a metaphor for any kind of loss or failure. To get comfortable with the idiom, let's see how it can be used in different contexts. 1. After a failed plan, all our hard work went up in smoke when the project was cancelled. 2. Describing disappointment, her dreams of becoming an artist went up in smoke after she moved to the city. 3. Expressing loss, the investors watched their money go up in smoke after the company declared bankruptcy. Remember, the phrase is often used to express disappointment, loss, or the futility of a situation. When using go up in smoke, be cautious not to confuse it with literal meanings. It's a metaphorical expression and should be used to describe plans, dreams, or efforts, not physical objects. For example, saying, my book went up in smoke, could be confusing unless it's clear you're speaking metaphorically. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion about the phrase, go up in smoke. Idioms like this add color and depth to the English language, and understanding them can really enhance your conversational skills. Remember, language learning is a journey, so don't get discouraged if everything doesn't make sense right away. Keep practicing, and you'll be using idioms like a native speaker in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.